Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal.
Hi guys, my name is Glory Mtui and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to style short natural hair within 10 minutes. I start with stretching hair and I go ahead and split my hair into two sections. Then I continue to work with front section by dividing the small line as I want. This can help me to get neat and clean line when I start to flat twist.
And it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'm sad to say I'm sorry, so lie. Pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one
And this
day.
is the size of the line I'm going to work with. Not too small, not too big, just a medium. And I start to flat twist going upward.
I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs. Too many things to criticize. And so I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie.
I just repeat the same thing as I did to my right side. It's just a simple and energyless style that you can style it every day.
Life kept spitting at my feet and forced me down a dead-end street, when all I had went up in flames, burning only dark remains. I cover up every part of my skin, oh, 'cause I don't like the person within, oh. I know I'm the one to blame. All I can do is take the shame, oh. Do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'm too sad to say I'm sorry, so lie and pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. Whoa, I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs. Too many things to criticize. So I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie.
After I finish to flat twist my front section, I grab the front and the back section together. Then I use hairband to tie them together. After that, I take my afro puff and I apply a little bit of my hair oil just to make it shining. Then I fluffy my afro puff wig to make sure everything is on point. Then I place it mid of my head and I use a bobby pin to secure it.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a
In my spray bottle, I put water and leave-in conditioner. I spray a little bit in my edges. This can help my edges to lie down very well. Then I apply Gorilla Gel. Then I take scarf and cover my edges for 10 minutes before I remove the scarf.
bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I'd be sad to say I'm sorry, so lie. Pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day.
After 10 minutes, I remove the scarf and I take accessory and accessorize my hair.
Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many.
And this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find this video is useful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And I hope I will see you soon. Bye bye.